Good morning to you guys, and today I'm gonna show you a very cool game. Let me expand it. We have a car out here and we have another car coming opposite, and we also have coins coming here. You have to move your car left to right and collect coins and avoid colliding with other car. So let me show you. I'm just gonna collect. You see my score is going, and I have to, if I meet another car, it beeps, stops a little bit, and then goes. And we have tornado, you better avoid it. Alright. So that's a game. We have coins, collect as many. Try to avoid car, cause I guess your score goes down. Let me. Very easy to do. Avoid tornado too. Might take you somewhere. We have different cars coming out here. Every time that's a different car. Okay, that's it. That's a game. Okay, let me guide you through. We have a car, this one, the first sprite. And when green flag click, it goes to front layer, forever, next costume. It has lots of costumes I made out here. Mostly it's lights and shadow. You see, it's changing lights on the car. And that's the next costume. When green flag clicked, forever check. If right key pressed, change position by X, but only if X position is less than 70. So that's a limit. I cannot go here like out here or out here. Let me show you. You see, it has some limits. I cannot go more right. I can go left, but I cannot go more like this. So that's a limit, X position less. So change X only if X position is less than 70. Here is the same. If left arrow is pressed, X position is more than minus 100. And change X position by minus 5. I move my car with arrows left and right. And it can change its position only if X position, X position. Okay. So let's go to the car that comes from far away. So this car, let me stop it. When green flag click, set score to 0. That's score, and hide. We're not gonna do it through the sprite, we're gonna do through clones. So it hides. Forever create clone of myself, wait from 3 to 7 seconds. Because it has to be random. The car has to come up when we don't know. So we choose randomly from 3 to 7 seconds. And next costume. This car actually has lots of costumes. It's actually all one sprite, just with different costumes. And costumes switch every time. Every time it creates a clone, it does the next costume. You can put here a random costume, up to you. So when I start as a clone, here is a clone, create clone, wait, show, set size to 0, because it's so small out here. The size has to be like nothing. Go to out here, right out here. And we have variable, it's called acceleration. So we have variable, it's called acceleration. We have score and we have acceleration. We can actually turn it on. We can see acceleration. Okay, acceleration. Acceleration is how fast something is going, how fast it's growing, anything, speeding up, increasing speed, increasing size from small to big. So we have this acceleration. Acceleration is actually like small. Repeat 200 times, wait 0.07 second, and then change size by certain amount of time, multiplying on acceleration. Change y by multiplying acceleration. So the car is moving like this. So we need to change y and we need to change x by small amount of numbers multiplied on acceleration. And then change acceleration by 1. So it's gonna go faster, it goes like slowly, and then If touching car back, so car back we have out here, play, car honk, and change score by minus. So that's the score. If you touch car, you get a score less. Also, while it plays sound, it doesn't move. So it plays sound and it stops for a second, then you move away and the car goes. That's pretty much it. And we have backdrop. It's actually not backdrop, it's just a normal sprite. And it always has next costume. So it just goes and goes and goes. And I did a little bit of color effect. So change color effect by 0.08. You see it changes. It will change in a minute. It's getting yellowish. You can make this effect for night. Sometimes in games you have, like day, night, everything. So change color effect by a little bit. Next one is coin. Coin has the same code as the car, front cars that comes from out here. I just copy it into coin. It has next costume, create clone of myself. It has less time because we need more coins. Less cars, more coins. Next costume, so the coin has costumes like this. Okay, and the create clone of myself, you got it. The same acceleration, multiplying. If touching car back, change score by 1. So that's when we collect coins. If we touch the car, another car, we get minus. Here we get plus. And we have tornado. You got it. Tornado has the same code. And that's pretty much it. Very easy to do. This code is just copied for all of them. Don't forget to subscribe. Sign up for Tamagiki Academy. Write comments. See ya.